Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to get Monarch Shadows Soul Shepherd in solo leveling Arise. First, you need to progress far enough in the main story. Soul Shepherd becomes available after you unlock the Monarch Shadows content. Keep following the story quests until this feature opens. Make sure your character is strong enough to handle the bosses you will face later. Once unlocked, you must farm the required materials. These materials come from raids and dungeon bosses. Focus on the higher difficulty dungeons because they give a better chance of dropping the shards you need. It is recommended to use stamina on the specific dungeons that reward Monarch Shadow fragments. Always check the drop list before entering. When you have gathered enough shards, go to the Shadow Extraction menu. There you can combine the shards into the full Soul Shepherd Shadow. Sometimes the drop rate can be low, so do not get discouraged if it takes many runs. After you successfully summon Soul Shepherd, make sure to level it up and equip it to your team. This shadow can greatly increase your combat power and help you clear harder content more easily. That is the process. Thanks for watching.